My name is Damon Taylor. My store is located in Kapolei, Hawaii on the island of Oahu. What I plan to do is just hit the streets and run, and once the store gets settled and up to par for opening, I'm just gonna, like they've been showing me here, just get out there, market it, let people know that we're back open and we're gonna be under new management, and just spread the word that good Texas legit barbecue is coming. Working in the stores, yeah, I've met some really good people here. I really love working in the stores. I'm a hands-on person. I'm not really the classroom type person. Just give me that, show me what needs to be done. It'll sink in and we'll get going. No, just all the prep work. This is my first time in the restaurant, industry, and it's just a total 180 of what I've been doing for the past 24 years. So I didn't realize there was this much prep work involved. A lot of time before the restaurant actually opens for business. It's a lot of things behind the scenes. I think I excel at both. I like being hands-on in action, face-to-face, right up front. I like getting my hands dirty. So the block is a perfect spot. I like that. And just being around my people, my pit crew. I would like to be there. I like to see what's going on. What we plan on doing to set ourselves apart from the competition out there. In Hawaii, there's few and far barbecue out there to begin with. But once you taste this, I think it's gonna clearly set us above everyone. Based on my experience being out there, there's no competition actually in this realm. So I think once we get open and rebrand the business, get the community trust back, I think we'll be fine. Yeah, the name of my pit is going to be called the Warrior Pit. It's based off the football team in Hawaii.